How do I connect a VHF radio to GPS? Are you curious about how to connect a very high-frequency radio to a global positioning system device? This connection can significantly improve your safety while camping or exploring parks. Let's break down the steps to make this happen. First, you need to identify the NMEA data ports on both devices. Most modern VHF radios and GPS units come equipped with either NMEA 183 or NMEA 2000 ports. NMEA 183 is more common for basic setups, using simple serial data connections. Next, it's time for wiring connections. You will connect the GPS data output wire, often labeled as TX, to the VHF radio's data input wire, known as RX. It is also essential to connect the ground wires of both devices together. This ensures they share a common electrical reference. Typically, you will have two wires, one for data and one for ground. The color coding can vary, so be sure to check the manuals for both devices for clarity. Now, let's talk about the power supply. The GPS device usually requires a stable power source, often 5 volts direct current. In some setups, you can power the GPS from the VHF radio's power supply. This simplifies wiring and ensures both devices turn on together. If your handheld GPS cannot connect directly, or you prefer a dedicated source, consider using a compact GPS puck receiver designed for marine use. These devices are generally affordable and provide continuous position data independently. You may also need connectors or adapters depending on your equipment. For instance, some GPS units use mini DIN 6-pin connectors. You might requiring a small project box or adapter to interface with the VHF radio's input. After wiring everything, it's time to configure the devices. Make sure the GPS outputs NMEA data and the VHF radio is set to receive it. This often involves enabling NMEA output on the GPS and activating digital selective calling features on the VHF radio, which depend on GPS data for emergency calls. Once everything is connected and configured, power on both devices. Check to see if the VHF radio receives the GPS coordinates. You should see indicators or display messages confirming successful data reception. Connecting a VHF radio to a GPS device is a smart move for anyone spending time in parks or campgrounds. It enhances safety by allowing precise location reporting during emergencies. Campers using VHF radios with digital selective calling can send distress signals that include their exact coordinates. This can lead to faster rescue responses. By following these steps, you can ensure a reliable connection between your VHF radio and GPS, making your outdoor adventures safer and more enjoyable.